Hi everyone. So welcome to the channel. So this is very new channel. Uh, so just keep supporting me, so that we'll be going to be cover more things in this. So about the drones and in detailed, like what and all the parts are there in the drones, like ESCs, batteries, propellers, frame, and controllers, different types of controllers, and what and the capabilities of the controllers, which also called as flight controllers. You know, so we'll start with the mission planner and the Pixhawk first. So I will type as mission planner. Once we opened up, it will pop the window of the mission planner, and once we opened it, just make a big screener, and you can see on top right side there will be as com selection. In this I do know which com port it has been recognized. So for that, if you have confusion on that, just go to the device manager on your laptop or desktop, and check for the ports. There is called as legacy FMU, which is established with com3, and just minimize it. And on your there is a called as 11525200, which is baud rate, which is also called as data rate, which is getting the communication getting established with the Pixhawk. Make it as a connect, and it is connected now, and it's getting the params out from the Pixhawk, so that all of the information is getting paired successfully with the mission planner, and it says new firmware is available. This we can regret right now. And as I move the Pixhawk, the pitch, roll, and even yaw, it's happening. So this is the basic how to connect using USB with the Pixhawk. This is my first video, and in this video or in this channel, we'll be covering up all the things, like further we progress in the videos. So this is my first video. Please do like it, share it, and comment it, and press the notification bell. Thank you so much.